Hello, I'm your teacher, Randy League, and welcome to Goodwin English's short English lesson. Now we're going to take a look at the phrase, Japan is a very safety country. This is a very common mistake that many people make. It is easy to confuse an adjective with a noun. In this example, the word safety is a noun. We need to use an adjective. The adjective we should use is safe. Like this. Japan is a very safe country. Here, safe is describing the country. Before the noun, you need an adjective to describe the noun. For example, these are all okay. This is a big car. That is a tall tree. I am a safe driver. But this is not okay. I am a safety driver. Okay, let's do some review. Today we looked at the phrase, Japan is a safety country. This is a very common mistake. Here we should use an adjective, but many people will use a noun. Safety is a noun. Safe is an adjective. Instead of using this incorrect phrase, you should try saying this. Japan is a safe country. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to help us, please go to our Patreon page and become a supporter. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.